Hello and welcome to my latest project. This project I'm going to call the Scrap Bike Project, for reasons you'll see in just a bit. I managed to get my hands on this motorbike. It's a 150cc Shinrei, and it has been very well used. Now I know a lot of you are going to look at this and immediately go, "Hey, throw it away, that's scrap." But I can see the potential in it. From my initial observations, I can see that this bike is mostly held together with a lot of rebar, binding wire, and rust. Let's take it apart so we can have a better look at what we're dealing with. Now that we've got it down to the bare frame, we can see the extent of the work that needs to be done. As you can see, the last owner of this bike had a lot of faith in rebar and shoddy welds. This is going to be quite a challenge to get it back to something that looks respectable. But I'm up for it. So stay tuned for my next video, where I'll tackle this frame and see if it's possible to fix it. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.